Hello YouTube land, Richard Mulstar Enterprises LLC, doing another power wash and doing it without a ladder with my Xjet system. Let's see if I can get that peak. It's very windy here today, but there's a chance I can do it. Worst case scenario, I might have to stand on a step ladder, which is a small price to pay. So I gotta rinse something. Now, this is a very good size house, and even with the wind, I made it, no problem. And I remember back in the day, years ago, when I used to go all the way up my 36-foot ladder and wash my way down. Them days are gone. Very rarely do I have to step on a ladder, you know, maybe for some difficult locations to reach, but pretty much, you know, 9 out of 10 times I don't need it. Now I can absolutely rinse with the Xjet without my little mini J rod. I'll show you that. The only drawback is that I have to drag the tank around, but however, you got a pretty good stream, and I'm gonna come up with a quick disconnect, I believe, and this way I can use the nozzle without having to drag the tank around, because it's a good nozzle, you'll see. Well, ladies and gentlemen, how do you like that? Here's another tip. Should I give away this secret? I guess I will. You'll notice, like, it's a very windy day here, and sometimes fighting the wind, I was having a problem, reaching the peak because of the wind. However, here's a huge tip: is for some reason you'll notice that if you go back, you'll notice I got close to the house and pointed straight up. There is some sort of natural draft that always goes on by the houses. It's like there's some sort of draft that usually runs from the bottom to the top, or you're like more immune. I guess the wind blowing over the house creates a vacuum. I don't know exactly what it is. All I know is that it works. Like in the strong wind, it kept blowing my stream away. So I got close to the house, and it's almost like a vacuum cleaner. It sucks your stream up there, and I rinsed everything. Nice. These houses were built, I guess, in the 80s. I've been inside a lot of them. They actually, very nice construction. And what's very rare for this area is they have basements. Not that anybody really cares, but they're nice houses. I wouldn't mind having one. And to answer a lot of questions and emails about my short video with me standing in front of the house, I called it my crib. That was just a joke. That was a totally abandoned house. I don't want people to think I live in that thing. Things aren't that bad, guys. But anyway, if you found this useful, you know what to do. Hit the like, subscribe, and by watching this video, if you use any information in it or duplicate any actions in it, you do so at your own risk. And by watching this video, you consent to them terms and hold the creator harmless, whoever that is. Anyway, stay safe, everybody. Peace out.